Hey, they got the air handler unit for us down here now. Wow, and it is a no name brand. Huh. Oh, rude. Right there, duh. And I don't know how many tons it is. You can see that right there or not. That's going to be the outdoor unit before I can tell that. Anyway, like the mastic. That's what you want. We do that at work. There's no whistling that way. All right, here we go. There's that massive beam. Ductwork along here. So they kind of like this. I already said I was going to pick up water. All right, I'm going to look for the water line real quick while I'm in here. And there's my clean out. Yay. I actually did a double take. I don't know what that is. 3-inch test tight. Maybe somehow they tested. There's my clean out. Thank you very much. Even put some shielding around it. Well, I'm feeling a little bit better about $300 and something. And they put plates around that. Okay. Damn good job, plumbers. And hey, look at there. Water line right there. What kind of water line is that? Huh. Y'all see that? I'm not picking up real good on. Can't really. I'll get something down lower. Oh, I can get it water. I can get water. Here, I'm getting long again. Hang on.